Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain temporary rendering for smooth preview playback. Let's begin! Let's start! At the top of the timeline being edited, the rendering status is displayed in yellow, red, and blue like this. The preview may not play smoothly depending on the rendering status, so check this while editing. In the yellow state, the rendering has not been performed, but the preview playback can be performed smoothly depending on the performance of the computer. In the red state, dropped frames may occur during preview playback, so it is necessary to render for a smooth preview. Since the green state has already been rendered, the green range can be preview played smoothly. Next, I will explain how to render. First, enclose the area you want to render in and out like this. Click Render In to Out from the sequence in the menu bar to start rendering. When the rendering is completed, the area specified by In and Out will turn green and will be played automatically. Rendering files will take up space on your computer, so delete rendering files you no longer need from your computer. To delete a render file, click Delete Render File into Out from the sequence in the menu bar. A confirmation message will be displayed. Click the OK button to delete the rendering file in the area surrounded by In and Out, and the display will turn red. Similarly, you can delete all rendering files by clicking Delete Rendering File from the sequence in the menu bar. A confirmation message will be displayed. Click the OK button to delete all rendering files and the display will turn red. You can delete unnecessary in and out points by right-clicking and selecting Clear In and Out Points. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.